welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Susie. So today I'm going to be showing you guys another wig. So this wig is from BestLaceWigs. I've already applied it, cut the lace, and did the whole hoopla because you guys know I like applying my wig off camera. So this is their Kinky straight hair. I got the hair in, I think the inch is 18. Let me make sure. Let's verify it. No, I got it in 20 inches in natural black, 150% density, and there's a 360 wig cap, and it has a comb in the back, a comb on the sides, and a comb in the middle. I did glue it down with my Got2b gel, and I used my Ghost Bond glue to kind of lay down the sides because my Got2b was not. It just was not doing it. The cap size I have is a medium. I did not bleach my knots. The wig came already pre-plucked, but I still went in and plucked some more so it could look natural. And then I used my powder, like my Revlon powder that matched my skin tone. And I used that to blend the lace to make it look a little bit more natural. It's like a kinky straight hair. It looks very natural. It looks like, you know, African-American hair. So if you really want more of an African-American texture, I definitely would tell you to get the kinky straight hair. It is super duper soft. I can run my fingers through it. There's no snags or anything. I'm gonna get up close so you guys can see the lace up close and personal, so you guys can know how it looks. Now the cap did come a little bit darker than I would have expected it to, or I would have wanted it to. So all I did, like I said, was use my powder to tint the lace. I did not bleach the knots. I did cut all the lace around the perimeter. Now you can wear it up in a ponytail. Me personally, I'm not planning on doing that because the back has a comb. Let me show you guys the back. The back has a comb, but I feel like this is so much work to have to fix the back and do all that. But if you do want to wear it up in a ponytail, like let's say you're going out for dinner and you want to do like a nice, you know, natural type of look, I would definitely suggest wearing it with a nice ponytail and some big old hoop earrings or nice big studs, just to make your, you know, your look stand out even more. Like I said, I really like it. The density is super thick. I know it says 150% density, but I am getting like 250 with this hair. Like this wig is so freaking thick. Like I said, this wig is from BestLaceWigs. So if you're interested in this wig, you could definitely check it out. I'll put it all in the description below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment if you have any questions, and hit the subscribe button if you're new, and I will catch you on my next one. Bye.